Imagine a world where you could recreate yourself anew, and no one would ever know. This is the power of Law 25. It's the art of self-creation, a transformative tool that empowers individuals to design their own identities. Law 25 beckons you to become the architect of your own identity. Self-creation is not about deception, it's about evolution. It's about embracing the power within you to sculpt your own identity, to become the architect of your own destiny. It's a dynamic process, a perpetual journey of growth and transformation. It's about shedding old skins and emerging anew, better suited to navigate the challenges and opportunities that life presents. It's about harnessing your potential, charting your own course, and redefining yourself on your own terms. The power of self-creation lies in your ability to adapt and grow. How does one recreate oneself? The answer lies in understanding your own narrative. Your narrative is the story you tell yourself about who you are, where you come from, and where you're going. It's like a roadmap of your identity, filled with the experiences you've had and the beliefs you've formed. By examining and consciously altering this narrative, you can actually change how you perceive yourself and how others perceive you. Your narrative is the blueprint of your identity. Change the blueprint, change the identity. The power of Law 25 is not just theoretical, it's practical and life-changing. Imagine reinventing yourself, shedding old habits, and embracing new ones. You could become more confident, more effective, more you. But remember, with power comes responsibility. The journey may be challenging as old patterns are hard to break. It's also an opportunity to discover your real potential. Law 25 is a tool for transformation. Use it wisely, and the world is your oyster. Law 25 is not a ticket to deceit, but a pathway to growth. It's about harnessing the power of self-creation, understanding its mechanics, and applying it effectively. Embrace this power, mold your narrative, recreate yourself, command your narrative, and seize the power that lies within you.